Hi, this is Revolution Data Systems. I'm going to show you how to use a type of annotation called redactions. Now, when I have my image on screen, I have the annotation toolbar here, and to the right of it, it says Format. Format acts on these tools here. So, for example, the color palette for fill color, I can change that. In the case of redactions, black is often used. So I will select that. We also have the line color, and you'll see what this comes out as in just a moment. I select black for that as well, and now any of the tools I select here will show up on the image as black. As you can see, this annotation has some opacity. You can see through it to some degree, and that is because it is not a redaction, it's just an annotation. The difference is that if you select the redaction button here, now any of the annotations I use will be a redaction, meaning they're fully opaque and you can't see through them at all. They'll block what's behind them. So a common type of redaction would be a box, a rectangle. I can use fill by selecting it. As you can see, it is now colored to show that it is selected. If I click it again, it is no longer selected, and therefore a box would not be filled. So here is the difference once I select fill. And so a typical redaction would be a fully opaque annotation that blocks information behind it. It's designed to secure certain information inside a document. Once I'm happy with the redactions as I've made them, I'll save those changes. Voila! Now if I'm not happy with any of my redactions, like other annotations, I can use the Select button, the Select tool, and simply delete or move the redactions. And that's it. Thanks for watching.